Welcome to Legal Dilemmas, where you will find clear, concise legal advice. My name is Safina.
And my name is Brenda.
So, Brenda, our topic of discussion today is around who pays the debt in a divorce. So, can you enlighten us, please?
Yes. Now, if the debt is in joint names, you're both liable for it.
Mm-hmm.
If it's in your sole name, then it is your sole debt.
Mm-hmm.
You can argue that it was used for the family, for the home, for the children, even if it is in your sole name, and you can seek a contribution from the other party. But the position is, as it says, if it's in your sole name, you're solely responsible for it. If it's in joint names, you're both responsible for it. Now, the court's powers are quite limited in relation to debt. They can carry out an offsetting exercise where they may give you more or less of the other assets depending on the debt situation. But generally, if it's in joint names, you both pay. If it's a sole debt, then it's your responsibility, the sole person's.
What about a situation where somebody's taken out a loan, for example, a substantial phone contract for a partner? I suppose that'd get quite messy, wouldn't it?
Yes, it would. So sometimes these phone contracts remain unpaid. A wife could have taken it for her husband. He may have had bad credit, or the other way round. It's in her name, so she's liable for it. Now, in any financial settlement, she can plead that she wants that money reimbursed from a share of the other assets. So that is possible, but obviously you've got to have assets to offset against.
And I suppose you've also got to look at it practically. If you are paying legal fees as well, is it really worth paying the additional legal fees to argue the toss over the phone contract, which really under contract law would fall to the wife anyway?
Yeah.
Or the husband, as it may be. Well, thank you very much for that, Brenda. So by way of summary, whoever, if it's joint, equally liable. If it's individual, you are separately liable, and the court can offset it as appropriate. But think about the practicalities of it as well. And certainly, please do reflect on taking on financial responsibility, even if you are in a stable relationship, because sadly things can worsen, and that can make it quite difficult if you end up with additional financial responsibilities that you're not expecting. So hopefully you found that helpful. Please like, subscribe, share, and keep those notifications on for further great legal content.